Hello, this is Agatha Books, and I have Mockingbird. It is a book about Caitlin, who is autistic, and her brother was just shot in a school shooting. What's amazing is about this book is all the challenges she has to overcome in order to be a better person. She's not just getting over her dead brother, she's getting over her autism and trying to learn empathy. And and it shows all the different challenges, like her sensory issues, and she doesn't understand how other people think. What's interesting about this book is that it doesn't use quotation marks. Maybe I can get a better example somewhere else. All spoken words are in italics. I got this book from a Facebook friend, and she asked me to send her my address, and I did, so she sent me this book. I'm going to take this book along with the book Torn Thread, and I'm going to give it to my new rector, who has not been chosen yet. So I'll just start a book collection of things I've read, and I'll give it to him or her if I ever get the chance. So it's written by Catherine Erskine, and she has another book, and the first chapter is here, Parallel Lines. If Parallel Lines is probably as good as Mockingbird, I would recommend that too. I think it's important. This is a good book for understanding empathy, which is a major theme in Mockingbird. A lot of autistic people have trouble understanding empathy. So I think I will read this. So this is a book I don't just get rid of at a used bookstore. I'm going to give it to a special person. And sometimes books are like that. Well, it says she's only 10 years old, and that the world is basically a black and white place that doesn't make any sense, and only Devin can help her understand the confusing world, which is why it's so difficult, why he suddenly just died. And she is struggling to find closure. That's another main theme, finding closure with losing her brother. And she does learn empathy, and she does find closure with losing her brother. I'm sure a lot of people are aware of autism, and this book is called Asperger's Syndrome, but the official term is autistic spectrum disorder. So if you want to learn how autism works, you'd have to learn from Temple Grandin. She's the expert on autism. So this is Agatha Books signing off.